I'm Mark Sudolnik with GSG. Today in the Applications Lab, I want to talk to you about an exciting new product we have here at GSG, and that's going to be our Vortex Dip Tank Pro. Dip Tank Pro is a combination ink remover and emulsion remover all in one. You simply put in your dip tank, mix at a ratio of 1 to 5. It's going to remove your ink, soften your emulsion so it's easy to reclaim. It's going to increase the efficiency in your screen department. It's going to cut down on your labor cost and your chemical consumption, ultimately saving you money and increasing the throughput through that department. The next product is the Vortex Premium Ink Wash and Stain Remover. After you take your screens from your dip tank and you pressure wash that emulsion off the screen, this product is going to remove any stains that are left behind. And a great part about it, it has built-in degreasers, so you can eliminate that final stage of having to decrease the screen because it's all built into one product. The first thing we're going to do is take our used screen and we're going to remove the tape. Once our tape's removed, let's remove any ink that's left in the screen. We want to get as much ink as possible out of this screen so we don't build up any sludge in the bottom of our dip tank. Now we're ready to put our screens in our dip tank. We're putting 3 of them in here. We want to leave it in a dip tank for just about 2 or 3 minutes. That's enough to soften the emulsion. We don't want to leave it in longer because what will happen is it's going to take all the emulsion and ink off that screen. It's going to create sludge in the bottom of your dip tank, which is not going to help to prolong your chemical life. You can see it started to remove the emulsion already and soften this ink up. Now we're going to go ahead and pressure wash it. We want to make sure the print side of the screen is facing the back of our washout booth so we don't get any kickback from the pressure washer hitting the inside of the frame. As you can see, we have a stain on the mesh from the yellow ink. So we're going to use the Vortex Premium Ink Wash and Stain Remover. We're going to apply it with a brush on the front and back of the screen. Then we're going to pressure wash it. And then we're going to follow up with a flood rinse to get any residue off that screen. And we're ready to put on our drying rack. Now that our screen is pressure washed off, we're going to go ahead and hit it with the hose and flood rinse both sides of the screen, and we're ready to go ahead and dry the screen. So there you have it, a really nice clean reclaimed screen using Vortex Dip Tank Pro and Vortex Premium Ink Wash and Stain Remover. Just 2 products, and it's a great way to improve the efficiency of your screen department. Definitely cut down your chemical usage, and best overall, cut down your labor cost and make it a lot more efficient in that department. For more information, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more information on any of the Vortex chemical line, visit gogsg.com, and thanks for watching.